experiment. Children, this is experiential learning. With this learning, believe me students, if you are performing at home after my class also, the whole chapter of crop production will be, so easy to imbibe. The things will be embedded inside you. So children, whenever you take the soil in your hand, let me see, this is my sprinkler. I will be explaining you in a while. So I am using the sprinkler so that I don't waste water. So this is a sprinkler I have made with few holes and on that bottle lid. Yes, it is simple water, beta. So simple water I am just putting in my pot. Okay. Now let me explain you the soil thing. Then I will put some of the vegetables in front of you, the seeds, how to grow them at home, so that you can have healthy vegetables during the time of lockdown also. Now children, see. Now I request everyone to please mute and listen. Now see, this is the soil which I have taken right now, a clump of soil. Now if the soil is like this, you all know how to play with clay, right? Just imagine, and if I'm pressing this, see, I'm pressing it and it is getting elongated. That means more of clay is there in the soil as compared to the silt or sand. Okay? If the soil is not being able to, clump together. Yes, Aniket, very good, Aniket, and all the students, those who are doing, you can analyze that this kind of soil is good for you. So for the crops. So if the soil has more sand, so it will not clump. Okay, and see, this will be not good for your seed. Now we have tested how to select the seed. Then we have tested how to estimate whether the soil is perfect for a crop or not. Now I'm gonna plant some seeds. We were doing the corianders only. I have told you the methods of putting up the corianders without soil, in water, very less water. I have just showed you how the coriander can be, planted on that sieve. This is one method which is without the soil. Now, if you want to put coriander seeds in the soil, see children, you can put in the pot and just press on top of it. I request students not to share screen and mute their mics. Just press so that they are just inside the soil. Now this is the way. I will repeat. Please mute yourself. I request everyone to please mute yourself. Again I am repeating. We have taken a pot which is filled up with the garden soil, and I have explained you how to estimate whether the soil is fit for your crops or not. Usually the garden soil is very much rich in nutrients and it is full of clay, silt and sand. Most of the part is of the clay. That is a loamy soil basically, which is fertile for the crops, which you've already been taught in class 7th. Now children, we have just put the seeds on top of this. You can see here. See? And then I've just pressed those seeds and then leave it. After 12 to 15 days, you will see some, the sprouting of that leaves will be coming out. So this is how you can grow coriander at home. Be it a soil method, be it using water only. So these are the two methods. Great. Now let me show you how to plant tomatoes. Okay? Tomatoes. Now children, everybody Now tomatoes are all available at home, right? Now simple pot again, you will take a pot again, any pot filled up with soil, this how. Then tomato you will take, you will slice the pieces of the tomato. There is no need to take out the seeds separately. Okay? Now when you put the slices, I have the slices of tomato with me with full of seeds. Now what I'll do, I'll just put it on the pot. Now let me show it to you. If you can see, just imagine that I have put those tomatoes on top of that soil. Can you see? Give me a thumbs up if you can see the tomatoes on the soil. Yes. Now again just put the tomato slices with the seeds are there and put soil on that. Now what will you do? I am putting extra soil so that it can be covered. You need to cover with the soil. Just cover it up and that's it. Similar way, children, you can do with lemon seeds. See, I have lemon, or lemon is very much available at home, and when you are making a lemonade, take out the seeds. These are the seeds. May I know your name, please? Arnav, I am repeating. Please mute yourself. I already requested not to speak in between, beta. Just listen to the instructions. Thank you, Arnav. Now the seeds are there. You can see the lemon seeds. Similar way, the lemon seeds, they can be put it or planted into the pots. Just the way we have done with the coriander. See, I will take one seed and I will put in my pot, which I am having right now in front of me. I will just make a hole with my finger and just dig it and then plant or put the seed and then cover the seed. And then the best part is use sprinkler at home to water your plants. Okay? Now this is one of the best method of irrigation in agriculture or on the large scale where you can see the sprinklers are being used. I'll be telling you, now this is a live example of making sprinkler at home. I've just taken a bottle and I've just done the holes with pin, and then you can see how the water is coming out of the sprinkler. This is saving water. So this is one of the methods of irrigation, student, sprinkler method. Now the next part I'm going to show you is, this is a setup for onion. Now see here what I've done. You can see the roots. Can you see the roots of onion? Give me a thumbs up. Yes. Thank you very much. Now take a water in a glass. Okay. I've just taken a water this much where I can put my or place. See, just listen to me what I am trying to say. You have to take it in a glass because you need to put the onion or garlic on top of this. Now just place onion on top of the glass where the water is there and just see that the roots are touching the water. That much water has to be there. The root should touch the water. My few roots are embedded in the water and leave it for few days. Children, you will see the roots getting elongated till the bottom of your glasses, and then you can take it and then you can plant it in your pots also. These are the things which you need to understand. See, similar way I can take garlic, lasun, very much available at home. Even you can see the tiny roots over there. Same method. These are the vegetables which I am growing in water, students, without soil. Okay. So you are all well versed. Once the germination of the seed is there, you know that there is a root part and there is a the plumule and radicle is there. So the radicle part we need to embed in the soil, and we can just cover up the plumule part, the upper part of the aren't. Now you see, these were the experiments which I showed you how we can plant vegetables or in a potted plant, or how we can transplant in water. Since the soil has many other microorganisms, to avoid that, so that the proper nutrition is being taken up, you can grow the vegetables in water also, the way I have shown you in the case of coriander, I have shown in the case of onion, garlic. See, I am growing in water, not in soil. I request to please mute yourself. Now the last part of this activity is how to make manure at home. These are all the vegetable peels I am having at my house. Whatever I can see Aniket, very good. All the students, very good. I can see the peels. Now what you need to do is, now take a potted plant or take a potted, fill that thing little bit with these, these leaves, dry leaves. Okay, very much available when you are going towards your park or something. So when the leaves have been put up over there, I'm just showing you. Maybe I can show you in the other yes, whatever your mama cooks at home. Suppose she is making some aloo sabzi or something related to onion. If you have had a mango, that mango peel will work, banana peel will work, tomatoes, anything Raghav, anything will go. So what you're going to do is, I'm just showing you, I'm just showing you for the experiment's sake, you can take a big pot, you can just make a space. I have a little bit of soil over here. Yes, I can see the pots. You will put the leaves there and put peels, vegetable peels. See, all, you don't need to throw the peels. See how we are utilizing the garbage, right? At home, we are utilizing this waste and to form a natural manure. So see, on this I will be putting, and again I will be pressing it, and then I will be covering it with the soil. This is very simple. Take a pot, below you can put some dry leaves, then put peels, keep doing. And then I am just putting the soil above the peels. Now my setup is ready. Again, my best part, the sprinkler will come and I will sprinkle the water on top of my, see, top of my, yeah, great. Now leave this thing for some time, and after a month, children, just take out the soil, whole thing out of the pot, and just, press it with your hand. Children, believe me, this is a natural manure you have yourself generated at home. And I'm sure you'll be proud when you generate your own natural manure at home. Students, so to wrap up today's activity, I have shown you how to make biofertilizers, and then I've shown you how to make natural manure at home. I have taught you and demonstrated you about the coriander seeds, the sukha dhania present at home, so that you can cultivate in the water or in soil. Yes, students, you can cultivate on water also. Hydroponics is a technique which usually, or the aquaponics are there very much in agriculture field these days. Even the pisciculture, the fishes are being utilized so that the proper oxygen is being given. With this, I wrap up my activity for today, and I'm sure these hands-on experience will make you learn what the concepts really are out of the book. Thank you very much, students. And yes, now I'm coming back. Yes, yes, please. Just wait. I request everyone to wrap up the activities, and those who have done the activities